And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I thought I would have a chat about Fuji X-T3 dual card slots. And if you're intending to buy the X-T3 for wedding videography or professional videography, and one of the reasons you're thinking of buying it is because it's got dual card slots, then I'll just give a word of warning. On the X-T3, the two card slots can be used for backup and sequential on still images, but unlike the Sony A7 III or the Panasonic GH5, which has dual card slots, on those two cameras you can actually record video to both card slots at the same time, therefore getting a backup, so if one card fails the other one's fine. On the X-T3 you can't. The only setting you can set is sequential on video, so basically you've only got one card slot. For stills, if you're using this professionally for stills, it's a different matter. You can do backup on both cards, so it'll do RAWs to both, same RAW image to both cards, or RAW and JPEG if you wish, whichever way you want to do it. But for video, it'll only go onto one card and then spill onto the other card. If you look in the menus, it actually shows you. So if you go into the menu, you go up to the wrench and then go to Save Data Setup, you'll see that you've got card slot setting, still image, sequential, backup, or raw JPEG. And you can select which card the still images goes to first, or if you change it to, if you go to backup, it just goes into both. But in sequential you can say which card it goes to. So in my instance I've got slot 1 to do video, slot 2 still images started. So when I start video it records to slot 1 and then it will go over to slot 2, and with still images it'll start on slot 2 and then go over to slot 1 once it fills it. But video, you cannot change it to anything other than sequential. So I just thought that would be of interest to anyone who was considering buying the X-T3 for professional use, and one of the selling points being that it's got dual card slots. If you're doing it for stills, fine. For video, it's basically got one card slot. If you're an amateur or a hobbyist or semi-pro where you're not bothered about that, in my instance that's not a problem, so I just thought I'd say that. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see any more videos like this, hit the subscription button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.